I always knew that when I became a lawyer that I wanted to represent people who can get bullied. With elder abuse and neglect, unfortunately, the older people get, the less voice they have. And one of the main defenses in all of our cases is whatever happened to this person wasn't because of neglect. What happened to this person was because of their underlying disease processes, their age. This was just inevitable. That's not true. People aren't supposed to get bed sores. People aren't supposed to fall down and hit their heads, especially when the family's trying to do the right thing by entrusting the care and paying thousands of dollars so that this doesn't happen because they don't have the expertise to take care of them and keep them safe themselves. People put a lot of faith in us when they hire us, and that is not taken lightly. Probably the most gratifying case that I've ever done is a case that we ended up in the Supreme Court of California, and the case ended up getting kicked back down to the trial court so that we could try the punitive damage phase. It lasted about 12 years, and the client in that case was so grateful that we stuck with it all that time. That case is gonna be with me forever. Every once in a while, you get a case where you're like, what is going on in the world? One day, the family member noticed some ants on the windowsill. And the weeks went on, they started to notice more and more ants. It went from the windowsill to the floor. Once the family members found a couple ants on the bed, they notified the staff that they were gonna come back at the same time the next day, do something about it. They came back just like they said they were going to, and the victim's entire body was crawling with ants. Thousands and thousands and thousands of ants. That was a tough one. A lot of our clients are veterans, fought in World War II, Vietnam. These are the people that helped build this country. They do not deserve to be neglected and abused. They do not deserve anything but our utmost respect. There's just absolutely no excuse. People always ask me, how do you know when somebody's being neglected? Listen to your gut is number one. If your gut's telling you there's something wrong, act upon it. Call us. We'll check it out and make sure that your loved one's being taken care of appropriately.